morning, Brookwood students. Breaking news live outside of Brookwood High School. We have an important issue to discuss.
As of yesterday night, supernatural babies have been born to this world with the ability of super speed. They've been destroying everything and causing mayhem in the city of Snowville.
Our sources tell us that the cause of this mutation is due to gene editing. The scientific breakthrough was created by research from scientist Hannah Sanders.
And this scientist removed the ACE and the ACTN3 gene from cheetahs and transferred them to hundreds of embryos using a glass needle to inject the genes into the embryo's lateral head.
Inside organisms, genes will provide instructions for extra support in the body's fast-twitch muscles and proteins that control blood pressure and influence skeletal muscle function.
Now we have Tracy Fan outside of City Hall to report the weather.
Michelle and Sarah, today we'll be seeing very high and unpredictable winds throughout the day. This is due to the overwhelming amount of super speed babies taking over our city. And the winds have hit up to 75 miles an hour. Folks, stay in your homes and do not let any babies into your house under any circumstances. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Tracy. We'll be back for a special guest interview after this short commercial break.
Welcome back. To properly explain this process, you have to understand how gene therapy, stem cell therapy, and cloning and DNA fingerprinting work together during this. Here's a simplified version of what took place. I used gene therapy to input the super speed gene. I had to remove an ACTN3 and an ACE gene from a cheetah and insert it into the undeveloped embryo. Stem cell therapy was then used to see if there were any problems with the baby's organs or tissues regarding the inserted genes. If there was, I used stem cells to help fix that problem. Next, I cloned the genes and compared them to the normal genes before the ACTN3 and the ACE were inputted into the babies. To compare the genes, I used DNA fingerprinting to make sure that the baby had the same genetic makeup as the normal baby and the cheetahs. And that's all. Back to you, Michelle and Sarah.
Thank you for that information, Hannah. This is all for today's breaking news.
See you never, and be safe, and make sure to lock your doors and let no babies in.